This is how your confidence and style are connected. Did you know that your personal style can be a secret weapon for building your confidence? Here's why. The way you dress doesn't just affect how others perceive you, it impacts how you see yourself. Well-fitted clothing tells your mind, I'm capable, I'm professional, I'm worth it. I'm capable. When you dress in clothing that fits well, you feel more in control of your presence. Your posture naturally improves. You carry yourself with assurance, and your brain receives the message that you are prepared and competent. I'm professional. Professionalism is often linked to attention to detail. Well-fitted clothing demonstrates that you care about how you present yourself, reinforcing the belief that you are meticulous, responsible, and serious about your work. I'm worth it. Investing in clothing that fits properly is a tangible way to affirm your own self-worth, that you value who you are and what you bring to the table. I've created 16 visual guides to help you avoid common men's fashion mistakes and get your style dialed in. Quickly polish your professional image, save time and money by getting the right look the first time, and enhance comfort and functionality with properly fitting clothing. Well-fitted clothing reinforces a positive self-image. Enhances comfort and confidence. When clothing fits properly, it allows freedom of movement without excess fabric bunching or feeling too tight. This comfort translates into confidence, and when you're not adjusting your clothes constantly, you can focus on what matters. Signals self-respect and self-worth. Wearing well-fitted clothing tells your subconscious that you are worth investing in. It reinforces the belief that you deserve to look good, feel good, and present yourself well. This mindset shift can enhance how you carry yourself and interact with others. Encourages positive self-perception. Seeing yourself in clothes that complement your body shape and proportions creates a visual affirmation that you are competent, polished, and put together. Over time, this repeated exposure to a confident self-image strengthens your internal belief that you are capable and valuable. Reduces self-doubt and imposter syndrome. When you wear clothes that fit well, you no longer feel like you're hiding behind oversized pieces or squeezing into ill-fitting attire. This alignment between your internal and external self reduces self-doubt, allowing you to present yourself authentically and assertively. Triggers psychological association with success. The brain responds to external stimuli, and when you look in the mirror and see yourself dressed sharply, your mind associates that image with success and capability. This effect is similar to the psychological boost that comes from standing in a power pose. It primes you for confidence and assertiveness. Well-fitted clothing conveys to onlookers, clients, and employers. Competence and authority. When you dress in well-fitting clothing, people perceive you as more competent, skilled, and authoritative. This is especially crucial in professional settings where first impressions matter. Attention to detail. Clients, customers, and employers notice when someone puts thought into their appearance. A sharp, tailored look suggests that you are organized, meticulous, and pay attention to the finer details, qualities that are highly valued in leadership and business. Trustworthiness and credibility. People are more likely to trust and respect someone who looks polished and put together. A well-fitted suit, blazer, or dress shirt conveys reliability and professionalism, making others more inclined to take you seriously. Confidence and charisma. Clothing that fits well enhances your confidence, and confidence is magnetic. Whether in business meetings, network events, or casual encounters, well-fitted attire makes you appear more self-assured and approachable. Higher perceived value. Just as high-quality packaging enhances the perceived value of a product, well-fitted clothing elevates the perception of your personal brand. Clients and employers often associate a refined appearance with higher value, capability, and success. If you're on the fence about upgrading your personal style, begin to see clothing as a psychological and social tool. Your clothing is a form of communication. It speaks before you do. When you wear well-fitted clothes, you're not just dressing for style, you're reinforcing a mindset of success, self-worth, and professionalism. At the same time, you're influencing how others see you, setting the tone for respect, credibility, and confidence in professional and social interactions. I'm creating a coaching program for male entrepreneurs and professionals that goes beyond surface level style. This program isn't just about looking good. It's about using personal style as a powerful tool to elevate confidence, reflect inner strength, and overcome self-doubt. Because when you look the part, you feel the part. Gentlemen, if you're ready to conquer imposter syndrome, supercharge your confidence, and refine your personal style, join the Waitlist today. The structured, results-driven program combines mindset coaching, tailored style consulting, and biblical principles to create lasting transformation. Answer a few quick questions. It takes less than 3 minutes to register your interest, lock in early bird pricing, and share your challenges and goals. Until next time, take care.